I don't know. There's two of them. They like to try to butt each other up the feeder. There's about 5 of them waiting for me to leave here so they can come to the feeder. I'm just going to try to hold still. There we go. She's up there getting something to eat. Glad to see them kind of getting something before wintertime comes around. They'll all be heading south here shortly once we get a little frost. Oh, she decided to get the heck out of there. I'll wait for a second. I think when I'll come back. Cats want to get them pretty bad. I don't know if you can hear the cat in the background, but they're hanging out in this tree over here. Oh, there we go. Hello, little one. He's a pretty hummingbird. A little cautious. Cat's like, let me get him. Pretty awesome. Nature has quite the spectacle of little birds and different creatures. Gotta wait for one more little one. Hopefully we can get a couple on video. Out here taking my dog's potty. Little hummingbirds want the feeder without me here. I'm flying into that tree right over there and trying to wait for me to go bye-bye. If one doesn't come here in a second, I'm going to end this, but let's wait. Seems like there's quite a few of them coming around. A lot of small ones, little baby ones. Oh, there's the neighbor's squirrel coming across the... There it is. Yeah, those little buggers are destructive little shits. Come on, Daisy. I'm gonna add this. I think my dog might have ran out front. I better end this. She ran off while I wasn't paying attention.